Hey everyone, welcome back to Healthy Way Hub, the channel where health meets happiness. If you believe your morning decides your whole day, then today's video is for you. Because we're talking about a secret morning tea that every woman deserves. A tea that doesn't just wake you up, but awakens your energy, your confidence, and your inner glow. Ladies, your mornings are powerful. The way you start your day decides how your body feels, how your mind works, and how your heart shines. But what if your morning could be your healing time? What if your first drink not only refreshes you, but also strengthens your immunity, balances your hormones, and boosts your mood naturally? Today, we're going to discover the golden combination of lemon, garlic, ginger, and turmeric. The magical four that can transform your mornings and your life. Let's break down the power of each ingredient. Lemon, rich in vitamin C, it wakes up your liver, detoxifies your system, and brightens your skin. Think of it as your body's natural cleanser. Garlic, a true warrior for your heart. It controls blood pressure, lowers cholesterol, and keeps your immune system strong like armor. Ginger, the queen of digestion. It fights nausea, reduces inflammation, and helps with period cramps, making it every woman's natural comfort. Turmeric, the golden healer. It's anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, and a glow booster. It supports your hormones, reduces joint pain, and improves mental clarity. Now let's talk about how to make this miracle tea at home. Ingredients: 1 cup warm water, not boiling, half lemon juice, 1 clove of garlic, grated or crushed, 1 inch of fresh ginger, grated, half teaspoon turmeric powder or a small piece of raw turmeric. Optional, a pinch of black pepper for better absorption, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Method: 1. Heat the water until it's warm, not too hot. 2. Add ginger, garlic, and turmeric. Let it rest for 5 minutes. 3. Strain the tea into your cup. 4. Add lemon juice and honey before drinking. Enjoy it every morning on an empty stomach, and you'll feel the magic within a week. Remember, this isn't just a drink. It's a ritual, a small daily promise to your health. Every sip reminds you that you're in control of your energy. Every morning reminds you that healing is a habit, not luck. And every woman deserves to feel strong, light, and confident in her own body. Don't wait for the perfect time to take care of yourself. The perfect time is now. Start your day with intention. Because the way you treat your body is the way you teach others to treat you. When you nourish yourself, you shine differently. Your mind becomes calmer, your skin glows, and your confidence grows. So tomorrow morning, when the world is still quiet, pour yourself that warm cup of golden tea. Take a deep breath, smile, and remind yourself, I am healing. I am becoming stronger every day. Because when a woman takes charge of her health, she changes not just her life, but inspires everyone around her. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with every strong woman you know. This is Healthy Way Hub, helping you build a healthier, happier, and more confident you. Stay golden, stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next one.